here we are in the greenhouse, and it's really been a productive space. The sustainable pots have worked particularly well, but one tomato that I've loved is this one, Big Boy, and he has really performed. He's a big beef tomato, but just look at the size of this. Been a great success. But I'm also enjoying this one over here called Tiger Red, and it's got this lovely striped marking on it. Both of these have been really tasty and delicious. But the sustainable pot have also been a success.
They call
I managed to grow purple sweet corn. So this is Montana lavender, and it shows that there are lots of different sweet corn varieties out there to grow. And growing it in a container has worked. I suppose if you want a more productive harvest, it might be better to do it in the ground, as this is a bit small. But I'm quite chuffed of what I've managed to grow in the containers. So I've also got the potatoes, remember, the purple tatties in the fabric container here, and I've not emptied it yet. So now's the big grand reveal to see how many I've got, and I hope I've got more than one.
Gold potatoes, okay, let's see.
If I just empty this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's a lot of slugs at the bottom of it. Way. Now I need to go hunting for tatties. So here you are.
Purple.
So this is a heritage variety of potato. It's a lovely deep purple colour. It has a yellow centre. It's going to be great for steaming or roasting.
Everything's purple.
Now I'm pretty proud of that. That's a great harvest from one sustainable bag, and that'll keep me well fed for a while.
I thought golden, but logical.
Now you can see from my plot it's just full of plants, and I'm running out of growing space, but I've got a cunning plan which is growing upwards.
This business can grow in UK also
So you might have noticed
rapidly.
that green walls are very on trend at the moment. You see them in many cities, and it's a great way of utilising plants in restricted spaces. And that's where you have these green wall modular systems, which I'm going to build today and show you how easy it is to fit into your space. So this one is made of 100% recycled plastic. It comes with an inbuilt water reservoir on the bottom, and it has a little indicator at the side here which shows when it's empty and full. So for watering purposes, it makes it really easy to look after your green wall. So I'm just going to fill up the trough planter now with some peat-free compost. And green walls, you can use a variety of different types of plants in them, but this one I'm going to make edible. And so I'm going to fill it with lots of different and unusual sort of herbs, but you know, you can have evergreen plants, grass seeds, heucheras, whatever you fancy in your green wall. So first off, I've got a nice trailing mint, which is unusual and is going to grow over and out along, cascade down the wall almost. And when you come to be planting up a wall planter like this, you want to sort of angle them close like that, because they're going to be growing out from the wall. And then I've got a compact marjoram here, and it's a really great plant for pollinators, and also you can use the herb obviously in cooking and things. And then lastly, I've got a nice purple sage for this trough, and lovely aromatic leaf. And again, I'm going to angle it towards the front, and then just place the compost around it. Just a last layer on that, and that should just slot on the top. Now it's got holes on the top here, so you can drill it straight into the wall or the fence where you want to put it. And it just shows that you can really utilise your space. So you might have a small garden, but you can go vertically up the way with your plants and put in a lovely green wall that is also edible too.
Edible, all of them are edible, okay, good. This is